Shelby, majored in accounting, and I'm going to talk about question 1. And again, according to the question, the fixed cost is A, and the variable cost is B and C. And why A is fixed cost is because a pilot and co-pilot are necessary to all jets. And why B is variable cost, because even though they charge the fee, all the airports charge the fee, but the fee are different from different airports. And about C, the larger and heavier the aircraft, the more fuel it consumes. So it was a variable cost. And thanks.
Hi, I am Chen Xingyuan. I am a freshman in Business Administration. I'm going to explain the problem 2. Part A. Complete the table. Total cost is average total cost times quantity, which is 4,400. Average variable cost is total variable cost divided by quantity, which is 1.8. Total fixed cost is total cost minus total variable cost, which is 800. Average fixed cost is total fixed cost divided by quantity, which is 0.4. And price is total revenue divided by quantity, which is 2. Part B is the firm maximizing its profit. According to the definition, perfectly competitive markets maximize profit where marginal revenue equals to marginal cost. And according to the problem, marginal cost equals to average variable cost, which is 1.8. And marginal cost equals to price, which is marginal revenue equals to price, which is 2. In this question, marginal revenue doesn't equal to marginal cost, so the firm is not maximizing its profit. Part C. If I am a consultant of the firm, what should I suggest the firm manager to do in the short run? If the firm continues to operate, there will be total revenue, variable cost, and fixed cost. So the profit is total revenue minus variable cost minus fixed cost. And if the firm chooses to shut down, there will be no total revenue and no variable cost, but there will be fixed cost. So the profit is negative fixed cost. If the profit total revenue minus variable cost minus fixed cost is smaller than negative fixed cost, then the firm should shut down, which is total revenue is smaller than variable cost. And we divide it by quantity, we get price smaller than average variable cost. The firm should shut down. But in this case, price is 2 and average variable cost is 1.8. So 2 is bigger than 1.8. So the firm should continue to operate in the short run. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wang Zijia. I'm the freshman major in business administration, and I'm going to talk about number 3. For the problem A, total revenue equals quantity times price, and total cost equals quantity times average total cost, and total variable cost equals quantity times average variable cost. total fixed cost equals to total cost minus total variable cost. And average fixed cost is total fixed cost divided by quantity. Okay, and for the problem B, as the question has told, marginal cost equals to average total cost, which is 110. But we don't, and when the marginal cost equals to marginal revenue, it has maximized the profit. But we don't know the marginal revenue in this problem, so so we can know the price equals to 100, which is less than marginal cost, which is 110. So the price already less than marginal cost, it has obviously not maximized the profit, and because it has a loss. And for the C sections, in the graph shown, average variable cost is less than price, and price is less than average total cost. So as the picture shows here, here's the price 100, here's the average variable cost, and here's the average total cost. And in a short run, the price must bigger than average variable cost, so it can keep operating. And in these situations, 100 is bigger than 90, so the firm will just keep running. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wei Xun. I majored in business administration, and today I'm going to talk about the question 4. And here is the diagram for market, and here is the diagram for firm. Okay. According to the question, when the economic profit equals to 0, at this point, P equals to ATC. It is, in long run, it is the equilibrium price. And in this point, when MC equals to MR, it is the profit maximizing point. According to the question, when the demand increases, the demand curve will shift to the right, and the firm will sell in a higher price. And in the question C, the higher the price, the more firms are willing to enter the market, so the price will go back to the P1, and the firm will sell a lower price as the P1. And because it is an increasing cost industry, so the MC is a upward sloping curve. The price will getting higher and higher.
Hello everyone, my name is Allison and I'm the freshman studying in business administration and I'm responsible for number 5. So for question A, I'm going to show the profit under the policies, which is uniform pricing and price discrimination. And under uniform pricing, we know that if we want to maximize the profit, we have to find a point where the marginal revenue meets the marginal cost, and it is this point. And under this quantity, we can find the price here, which is meet the demand curve, and it is used in the monopoly cases. So the point here, the price is 2,400, and so the profit is the area in this line. Okay, so under this area, it is about the cost, so it's the profit here. So the profit is 2,400 minus 800 times 3,000, and which is 1,600 times 3,000. Okay, and for the price discrimination, it will sell to this part, this point, because every customer will pay their willingness to pay to buy the product. So it will meet this point, and so the profit is this big triangle So it is it 4,000 here, okay? So it is 4,000 minus 800 times 6,000 and times half. So it is equals 9650. Okay? And so for part B, why the company will sell the quantity into 6,000? It is because they will cost the customer by their willingness to pay, and it is we don't have to care about the marginal revenue. And now every customer can fulfill their benefits by this demand curve. So the price will goes like this, and the quantity will goes like this. And when the point reach here, the company, which is the monopoly, can meet the market demand. And it is where the marginal benefit equals marginal cost. So it will sell to this point. And for the C section, it is to explain why this profit is higher than this profit. It is because when we just do the uniform pricing, the profit is just here. And this triangle, this part, it is the consumer surplus. And this triangle is called the deadweight loss, because the consumer cannot get the product they want. Loss. And so when we are doing the price discrimination, they change the consumer surplus into the profit, and they shift the deadweight loss into the profit also. So it is higher than this square. Yes, thank you.